I've already welded this one here. We're gonna run a bead across here and across here. This was our first attempt. I got a little hot there. I noticed that I had the settings up. This is 1/8 inch thick. And so I set it from 4 millimeters back down to 3. And that seemed to be a better setting for it, for the thickness. Start up here. All right, that's better. This started good. Then it got real ugly here and I felt like I was burning through, but I could have had the angle of the gun wrong. You want to keep the handle parallel to the surface and just let the wire feeder push it. But I might have been up here pushing the wire too deep. But anyway, this was better. Here, not so great here, but that's where I kind of got caught on this by the connection. And I think that was pushing me up because that looks a lot like what I got there. And then I corrected and got it and it looks better all the way back. So I'm gonna move this one over here to press these down and keep those even. And I'm gonna weld right down through here, but I'm gonna stop when I get to that A. I may go ahead and weld that section, but last time I almost melted through. Will be good. So we want this parallel to the surface that we're welding. I think that's where I was messing up. Go ahead and flip that over and we're going to weld the other side. All right, we got that welded. So it's going to look like that. Second one actually looks straighter. The words don't look as good, but it looks a little straighter. So we may do it like that. Both the swing arms, the spars, those spacers for the engine mounts will go in, and the connections for the legs will go in there. And then once we have those, I'll probably put them in 3D printed first just to test everything out, and then I'll make them out of aluminum.